Hello, everyone. I'm Umair Haroon. I'm the founder at Agency. We are Dubai-based artificial intelligence. We're based out of Dubai. We specialize in creating artificial intelligence-based automations for your businesses. And today we are diving into the world of automation, specifically exploring how Make.com or Zapier and Gmail can work together to revolutionize the way you handle your emails. From basic to advanced automations, I'll show you how to uh, automatically create replies to your email, to inbound emails, and streamline your email management. So everybody knows emails can be very overwhelming, but imagine if you could automate responses, sort through the clutter, and focus on what's important. That's where Make.com comes into play. Combine it with Gmail and probably a thousands of different apps, and it's a powerhouse of automation. Okay, I have nothing against Zapier, but what I have seen is a lot of smaller companies find Make.com to be cheaper, and hence I made this video in Make.com. I prefer both and I'm comfortable with both. So let's start simple. Imagine you receive a lot of emails from clients asking about your services. Let's assume I am a car wash business based out of Houston, Texas, and I want to find out how automations can help me efficiently run my business. So let's just compose an email, uh, agency.a car wash business. Oh man, let's just say I have uh, mm, what kind of business? Pet grooming business? Perfect. Yeah. So, hello, Mayor. I run a pet grooming business out of Houston, Texas. I want to. I I use HubSpot, or let's just say I use Zoho as CRM, and I use Mailchimp for sending out newsletters. I want to find out how you how AI-based automations can help me run my business efficiently while improving my bottom line. So if I am investing in something, I want to know eventually if it's going to improve my bottom line or not, or is it just a fancy automation? So let's just do that. Let's okay. Best. Let's just say my name is Olson. Okay. So, okay, mm, that's the email address where the automation is running. So let's just send this email, come to our inbox, which is supposed to receive this email, and wait until we get this email. Again, this is a very basic example to, okay, perfect. We have received our email. Let's just quickly skim through the email. Perfect. Okay. This automation is set to run when the emails are unread and have a certain label. Let's just say in this case, it's going to be customer service. Perfect. Okay, the automation is set to run every 5 minutes because we get a lot of inbound emails. Once you can have it run every hour, or you can schedule it to run during the working hours, every minute, whatever suits you. So let's just see if the email is set as read. That means the automation has successfully completed and it's probably now generating a draft reply. So let's just give it another 30 seconds. Again, this is a very basic email, but this should help you cut out or save a couple of hours every week, or probably if you get a lot of inbound emails like we do, full resource every month if you do this right. Okay, we have our draft response ready. I usually, some people prefer sending out the replies automatically. I prefer drafting a reply and going through it before I press the send button. So, thank you for reaching out at agency. We're delighted to hear that you are considering AI-based automation to streamline your paid grooming business efficiently. Appointment scheduling can be done, customer follow-up and feedback collection, bring up your time to focus on customer. And this is exactly what automation is supposed to do, freeing up your time to focus on high ticket or profitable task basically. And again, use AI to analyze customer data from CRM, create personalized experiences and targeted MailChimp. Newsletters, analytics, cost savings. Again, this is a very basic response. This can be linked with, okay, I didn't guide it. This is the context it is using. This is what I gave it to Chat GPT, and this is very basic, very basic. This is all it is. Uh, if you want, you can pause it and go through it, but there's nothing fancy. A lot of it was generated itself by Chat GPT, but obviously you can uh, provide detailed instructions how it should draft out your emails, and it can suit your persona or business persona, or a lot of things can be customized. Again, going back to this is a very decent reply. So now that, let's just step this up a bit. Okay, let's just go back to our email and see. We want different kind of replies. We also provide troubleshooting with your existing scenarios or zaps. So let's just say uh, getting errors with Apollo.io and HubSpot. Uh, Hi, I run a cold reach uh, email marketing company. I'm getting errors when my automation runs to add new leads to my HubSpot CRM that meet certain filters or criteria. Yes, criteria. Uh, can you help me troubleshoot this this issue? Yeah, that was good. Not many details, but just let's just see. Let's say this is Dave. I haven't provided much context. Let's just say, uh, yeah, this should be enough. I'm also running out of Zaps way quickly each month. Can you also help me, let's just say, reduce the number of Zaps to, make this automation more effective? I don't know, or efficient, yeah. So, okay, let's just send this email. This goes to my work inbox. Let's just send this email. Wait for this email to land up here. And this should be done very quickly. Again, this is a very basic automation uh, with me.com. Okay, let's just go through the email, getting errors, and this is what we type. Okay, this is a different automation set to run when the email is unread and marked with a different label, troubleshoot. Perfect. So now just wait for the automation to run. Once this automation runs, it will skim through the content of the email, pass it on to ChatGPT, generate a draft reply, and save it in our draft folder. Well, this is very helpful. It's like having a clone of yourself, your expertise, all set out, all well described in a few documents, and having a clone of yourself doing this round the clock while you're sleeping, or if you have kids, while you're with the family, or you're outside in a meeting. This automation keeps running, results in you being able to, you know, efficiently make efficient use of your time. Okay, this the draft is here. Thank you for reaching out at agency. We understand how important it is to have your automations running smoothly, especially when managing new leads for your market company. Let's get your HubSpot integration back on track and ensure your Zap usage is as efficient as possible. Review automation criteria. We have set of adding units, ensure they're triggering the Zap correctly. Sometimes minor discrepancies, and this is very common. Very small discrepancies result in the automation to fail, or it's not as accurate as it should be. So there are frequent errors. Check Zap errors. We go through the log for error messages, trying to figure out or zero in why the error is happening or why the automation is failing, and then we go through the. This is very typical, although I haven't. I'll show you the context that I gave to. All right, for troubleshooting. Okay, this is the context I provided, and okay, Salesforce. These are the few examples we gave. Okay, so as you can see, this is very good. And again, these can be customized to suit your needs, your business persona, your services, your products, whatever you want, however you want it to be customized. So it's a bespoke solution. All right, coming back, let's just go through a more advanced setup where we ask the automation to create a price code for inbound emails received by a landscaping business. So price estimate, let's just say I have a XYZ landscaping business. This is the context before I write the email. And the XYZ landscaping based out of Houston. And pricing for landscaping is $2.50 per square meter, $5 for pavement deep cleaning per square meter. Driveway deep cleaning is $6 per square meter. These are just crazy figures. I don't know how accurate these are, but this is just an example. Can be customized. This can be made more complex with you getting the price from a Google Sheet or wherever you want. Thousands of possibilities. You know, the sky is the limit. As long, again, I emphasize on any automation should help you free up more time so you can focus, on high ticket clients or more profitable ventures or closing more sales. Point is, it should improve your bottom line. I always start with this target in mind, that this automation should help my customer improve their bottom line. So coming back, so email response structure instructions are given out, calculations instruction is given out. This is very simple, but these can be made more complex. As if you can do it, this automation can also do it, as long as the prices are given out and not made out of thin air. So coming going back, hi Omer, I'm out of city for 5 weeks. My lawn and driveway needs to be take, to be taken care of. My lawn is, let's just say, 21 square meter. My driveway is, well, let's just say 15 square meter. But this is odd, but let's just, try to make it more complex. And the pavement around my lawn is, let's say, 11 square meter. What will be your price code and how soon can you start? Perfect. So thanks. Let's just say I'm Michael, and let's just give out my address. My address is 123 Rudy Drive, Houston, Texas. Okay, the automation is supposed to return me a price quote. So let's just send this email. Perfect. Let's just wait for the email to end up in our inbox. Okay, so it's here. Now just, oh, okay. Just go through the email. Okay, perfect. This automation is set to run when the label is price code and the email is marked as unread. Perfect. Now just wait for the automation to run. Again, if the email is marked as read, which means the automation has gone through the email, the content of the emails have been passed on to ChatGPT and probably is now generating a reply. Again, this automation can be set to run every 5 minutes, every 15, or every 30 minutes, or whatever suits your business. So coming back, let's just see if the draft is ready. Okay, should be ready. Okay, perfect. So my internet seems to be acting up. Let's just see. Mhm. Okay, dear Michael, thank you for reaching out to XYZ Landscaping, the trusted name in enhancing outdoor spaces. And so I'm Muhammad Umair. I'm excited to help you. Blah blah blah. Okay, perfect. So we have a price quote, and this seems to be very accurate. Yeah, cleaning $90. Perfect. 11 at 5 is 55. The total works out to be 197.5. Again, you can make this much more complex. You can provide a link to Stripe which is dynamically generated, or you the customer can reply back to when you send out this email. The customer can reply back to this email to ask you for an invoice. Again, you mark that email as to be a different label, and you the automation will create an invoice, send it out to the customer, mark the add the customer to a CRM. It doesn't matter which CRM it is. Add it as a contact in a CRM, and perhaps run a different automation altogether. For example, it can also create a job on any platform that you're using. For example, Jobber, assign it to a certain contractor. Again, like I said, the possibilities are endless. You can add them to a marketing campaign, to a marketing audience, remarketing audience. I can go on. It depends on what you have in mind. The again, my aim is to make sure the automations help you improve your bottom line. So this is a very uh, you know three examples, one aimed at customer service, another at technical queries, the third one giving out a price quote. I can even generate a PDF file. I can do anything you want. However, your business operates, we can customize the automations to work the way you want those to. So again, but why just stop at emails? This is just the beginning. With Make.com or Zapier, you can integrate Gmail with countless other apps to automate various aspects of your business, from marketing to customer support to operations to, whatever you want, whatever function of your business you want to be automated can be easily done. So the possibilities remain endless. Automation with Make.com, Gmail, Zapier, and thousands of other apps isn't about just about saving time. It's about enhancing your efficiency and letting you focus on growing your business. If you're ready to start your automation journey, feel free to get in touch and explore the power of smart automations for your business. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.